One of the reasons that organizations and leaders are struggling to create teams that they need to get the work done and to be successful at a team or at an organizational level is demographics. That affects both hiring and the ability to retain. So on the one hand, we have these baby boomers, this huge bulge of people that are actively retiring, so the ability to retain them is challenging. When they leave, they're taking institutional knowledge and all their experience with them. So that's on the one hand. On the other hand, for decades, getting squeezed from this side, we've had a really low birth rate in developed countries for generations actually. We need a 2.1% replacement rate, so that's 2.1 children per woman to replace the population, and in Canada anyways we've dropped to 1.4. So both of these factors represent a significant challenge that organizations and leaders have in attracting and retaining the talent that they need and the people that they need to get the work done. That's why when leaders adopt a team culture of learning approach, they can both develop the people that they have so that as the needs change and the demands change, that their people are ready to tackle those changes and can excel in new ways. It also helps with recruitment. It doesn't increase the number of people available, but if you have a culture where learning and development is really emphasized, then you'll be able to attract the people that you need more easily, because the millennials and everybody, I think, really is looking for opportunities to grow and develop and be challenged in their roles. So I encourage leaders to adopt a lead with learning mindset and specifically create team cultures of learning.